Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of digital creativity and note-taking with the JVK Zayin Stylus Pen for iPad. This sleek and innovative stylus is here to enhance your iPad experience like never before. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech reviews. Let's get started. The JVK Zayin Stylus Pen is designed to be the perfect companion for your iPad, offering precise and sensitive performance, a convenient shortcut function, impressive battery life, and more. Let's explore its outstanding features. Before we dive into the features, let's talk compatibility. This stylus pen is compatible with a wide range of iPad models, including the latest ones. However, please note that it's not compatible with iPhones, Android devices, or Microsoft tablets. Now, let's move on to the key features. The JVK Zayin Stylus Pen boasts a 0.9mm pen nib that brings your work to life with pixel-perfect precision. Whether you're sketching, doodling, or taking notes, this stylus offers an incredible level of sensitivity and accuracy. It's like having a paintbrush, charcoal, or pencil right at your fingertips. Plus, it comes with 2 spare nibs and a USB-C cable for charging, making it a cost-effective alternative to the Apple Pencil. One of the standout features of this stylus is its convenient shortcut function. Once paired with your iPad, it offers 3 handy shortcuts. A single quick click opens up the iPad Task Manager, a double click takes a screenshot, and a triple click acts as a remote shutter in camera mode. Perfect for online learning, quick tasks, or capturing group photos without switching apps. Keeping track of your stylus's battery life is a breeze. Just like the Apple Pencil, it displays the remaining battery percentage on your iPad when connected via Bluetooth. This feature not only keeps you informed but also helps maintain longer battery health by reducing charging frequency. With up to 9 hours of working time, 1 hour of charging time, and an impressive 360 days of standby time, you won't have to worry about running out of juice. The JVK Zayin Stylus Pen features palm rejection technology, allowing you to comfortably rest your hand on the screen while writing or drawing. No more accidental marks. Plus, its magnetic adsorption design keeps it securely attached to your iPad, reducing the risk of rolling or dropping. It's not just practical, it's portable. With the latest tilt sensing technology, you have the freedom to vary the line thickness based on the angle of the stylus. This feature adds depth and dimension to your digital creations, making your art and notes come to life. In conclusion, the JVK Zayin Stylus Pen for iPad is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to elevate their digital creativity and note-taking experience. Its precision, convenience, and long battery life make it a valuable addition to your iPad arsenal. That wraps up our in-depth review of the JVK Zayin Stylus Pen. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow iPad users. For more tech reviews and updates, remember to subscribe to Product Critique. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video.